Okay, I just want to make this quick intro video to give you an idea of what multivariable calculus is all about. So in single variable calculus, on the left here, you start off by talking about limits, then you do derivatives, integrals, and along the way you graph and you do a lot of applications and you get an idea, maybe a better feel for functions just in general. Okay, so in multivariable calculus, we do the same things. The only difference is that we're allowed to plug in, whoa, that's a big pen. Sorry about that. We are allowed to plug in more than one variable. So here we're plugging in an x and a y, and in fact we'll do things where we plug in an x, y, and a z, or as many variables as we want. And in this case, this is just an example. What happens is the function takes x, it squares it, takes y, it squares it, and adds them together. And so we'll do the same type of things we did in single variable calculus. We'll look at limits. We'll look at these special types of derivatives called partial derivatives. We'll look at different types of integrals. And we'll get a better idea for kind of graphing and functions of multiple variables in general. So this here is the three-dimensional graph of x squared, or f of x, y equals x squared plus y squared. So the first thing to do really is just to get a handle on kind of this new space that we live in. So you did a lot of this type of thing back in algebra and pre-calculus. You looked at tons of functions of one variable. You got very comfortable, or the idea was you got very comfortable graphing in the plane and things like that, and what these things mean. Now we're kind of going to 3 dimensions, and we need to get a handle on things. And so what we'll do in the first thing we'll do is we'll look at vectors. This is really kind of the language we need, and we'll talk about kind of 3-dimensional space in general. So, okay, see you in the next video.